I am Meera Krishna. This video is presented as a part of CA2 for the subject CSE 378, that is Web Services and API Automation Testing. My topic for this assignment is File Management System using Postman. In this project, I implemented and tested a REST API for a file management system using different HTTP methods like get, post, put, patch, and delete, and that too in Postman. Now let us see my JSON file. This is my JSON file and I have saved it using the name file management system.json. And it has various attributes like file ID, file name, file type, size, upload status, and ID. I have currently added 5 records in that. And now we will do the various HTTP methods, that is get, put, post, delete, patch in Postman. So before that, we need to create a mock API so that we can access it in Postman. So for that, we have been using this command JSON server and name of the file. And this file has been deployed. Then we can perform HTTP methods in Postman. The first method of that we are using to apply in Postman is get. So this is the mock API link, and if we click send, then we will get that data. Next, we are going to apply is post. In post, we need to create a new data, add a new record in that existing JSON file. So for that, we have to choose this body session, and in this we have to choose the raw session, and we need to give all the attributes for that particular record. So I have given these attributes, and then if I will click send, then the result is 201. It's created. It is this record is created. Next, we are implementing put. Put is used to update a record. This is an existing record in the JSON file, and put the difference between put and patch is that both are used to update the records, the values in the record. But in this put, we can only update one attribute. So in put, we can update more than one attribute, and in patch, we can only update one attribute. So in put, we are updating two attribute, that is project report. Its file type is PDF. I am changing it to doc, and the size currently 3 MB. I am changing it to 5 MB, and I am clicking send, and it has been updated. The same with patch also. In patch, we are pasting this, and in body, we are uh, we are pasting the same data, but we can only update a single attribute in patch. So and again in doc, I am changing this project report from doc to Excel, and I am clicking send, and that record has been updated. And next is delete, and in delete, delete is used to delete a record from the JSON file. So if I need to delete a record with ID 6, then if I just give /6 ID number in that API link and click send, it the data will get deleted. And we can check the same thing in our JSON file also, which we have created here. So that file has been removed. Now we can validate the the HTTP methods. So now I have done the validation of all the HTTP methods. First, I have written scripts for validation. First, in get, to validate get, that is status code is 200 for correct get request. So I have validated this, and we can see in test results that it is passed. Status code is 200. And similarly, I have validated all the HTTP request, that is post. For post, the status code is 201, and in results we can see that it is 201. And in put also, we can see the status code is 200. Similarly, in patch and delete also, you can see the status code is 200. Now, I have validated the response time. That is, response time is less than 500 milliseconds, and it is also passed. That is, response time is less than 500 milliseconds. Then next, I have validated that the content type is JSON. So this is the script for content type is JSON. That it is also passed. Then next I have tested the tested response body validation. These all three is used for response body validation. That is pm dot test response body. First I have checked it is not empty. So to and it passed. Then next I have checked that the response body is an array. So similarly I have checked it that to be an array. It also passed. And last I have checked that the first file name it's a string. File name is a string. So with the same JSON data, it checked that it is a string or not, and it is also passed. This is the validation for HTTP methods. So throughout the project, I have created a mock API, deployed it, and I have performed HTTP methods, and also I have performed validation of that methods. And this helped me in ensuring that the API works correctly and efficiently. This project helped me understand that the REST API testing, how REST API works, how automation concepts works, how we can deploy and integrate with the tool Postman. Uh, that's all. Thank you.